Alright, YouTubers, D-Doc here. Been a while. Nice spring or fall day over here in western central Iowa. Central western Iowa. Gonna try something a little different here for a while. I'd been mowing the lawn with a riding lawnmower, so I haven't been using the old push mower. But I just filled up the gas tank. We're going to see if we can do a cold start. Oh, let's see what it is. Well, it's not looking good. It's leaking gas. MTD mower. See what we get out of this. Well, it fired up, but as you can probably tell, it's got some carburetor issues. Might have to look into it just a little bit here, but I'd call that a success. Thanks for watching, commenting.